That one. Pretty sure that's what made the alien go crazy.
I'll see about rigging something for the suit.
Right.
It won't be quick.
Anything to give me an edge.
You know, I paid millions of dollars for this building's security.
Yeah, it looked expensive.
Hi.
A new toy?
Prototype troop carrier.
I once knew a man who would have loved to fly it.
Yeah. We're gonna need more than a pilot. I think there's an attack coming.
Not coming, Bruce. It's already here. They called him Steppenwolf, the end of worlds. He lived only to conquer. Millions fell before his blade, or rose again as its parademons. Nightmare creatures who feed on fear.
Yeah, I think I met one. We didn't hit it off.
Here in Gotham?
They're all over. They're looking for boxes?
The mother boxes.
Other boxes. I guess Steppenwolf took the one your people were guarding. That leaves 2 more.
I'm impressed.
Don't be. I have no idea what's in them. A weapon? Some kind of power?
They don't contain power. They are power. Carried from planet to planet, the mother boxes combine to form the Unity. An apocalyptic power that not only destroys worlds, but transforms them into the primordial hellscape of Steppenwolf's birth world. We should have died, but we formed our own Unity. Amazons, Atlanteans, all the tribes of man fought side by side. Warriors of legend. Allies from other worlds. Even the gods themselves all acted as one, laying down their lives to drive Steppenwolf away. Some say it drove him mad. The disgrace of his first retreat. He swore our alliance would crumble. The darkness would cover the earth. And that he would return when it did. Left behind, the mother boxes were too dangerous to be kept together. One was entrusted to the Amazons. One to the Atlanteans. Both sealed and guarded in secure strongholds. The box of man was buried in secret, so that no tribe would be tempted to use its power over another. Such harmony out of such horror. It was truly an age of heroes.
Something tells me we're not getting the band back together.
The Atlanteans were forced undersea, and the Amazons to an island they can never leave.
Well, I wouldn't count on the tribes of men. We tend to act like the doomsday clock has a snooze button. How long until we...
Days. At most. Steppenwolf's mistake last time was attacking us. He wanted to make the Earth kneel before he destroyed us. This time he'll just go after the boxes.
I got a location for one of our recruits, Barry Allen.
What about the other one? Victor Stone?
Was hoping you would dig him up.
We're asking people we don't know to risk their lives.
I know. That's how this works.